Hello guys, hello to my beautiful people. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. It depends where you are. Some clips of me training, but I'm planning to do that. So I want to show you a farm. I think this place is so swampy. It's a swampy area. This is just the land of someone. There was a forest farm, but the guy decided to cut the trees. When you passed here, there's a sweet breeze. Here, there's a lot of, it's a swampy area. You can able to see, this is a road. I'm seeing the way water is coming out from the soil. Yeah, from the soil and will construct a house. Let me use the right pronunciation. Use these stones. The way this place is so swampy, and the road is bad. It was like this forest. I think this forest. It was like this forest. For my training, I just decided to walk and tell you how my village look. The sound of breeze. I think the way this place is beautiful. It's very nice, guys. So when you have such a thing, you're like a millionaire. Ah, that guy was asking me if I'm going town, but I'm in my village. It's done in this area a lot. I think they have measured on maize. Hello guys, hello to my beautiful people. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. It depends where you are. So today I just take I'm off from my usual training, but I didn't take some clips of me training, but I'm planning to do that. So how are you guys? It's another beautiful day in Africa. It's so hot, and sun is hitting my skull. My skull, really, no. My is hitting my forehead. So I'm going back home. I'm just trekking today. I've not uh, I've not I've not boarded a motorbike, guys. I plan to visit a farm, but I just decided today I want to do some exercise a little bit. You know, fitness is something nice. When you do fitness, it's help for your health. So I decided to go for a fitness. It's been a while. It's been a while since since I started doing practice. So today I decided that I just have to do some a little warm up to my body, so that my body can also be flexible. You know, if you are into size many times and you leave it, your body is not feeling the same. So today I decided to go and play with my friends. No, football relax your brain, your body. If you have if you have a lot of stress on your head, it's relieves you. Yeah, because when you play, you interact with people. Yeah, so you laugh, you crack a joke. It's something awesome. So guys, here I'm going home, and I'm planning to give you a plenty journey. Though I'm really struggling to hold this camera of mine. I hope very soon I will get some some GoPro or any that will make my work easy, so that I don't strain a lot when I use my hand. Yeah. So guys, I have plenty of vlogs coming very soon. So subscribe, like, leave a comment. Tell me your give me your thoughts. Yeah, help me, guide me. Yeah, guide me, and I promise you we're gonna go far. So when I was walking here, seeing some maize plantation. Right now, maize plantation is doing well because right now there is a lot of winter. There's a lot of winter, and there's a lot of rain in Africa, or not in Africa, in Nyanza, in Kenya, in Nyanza, in Africa. Yeah, it's been hectic. There's a rain, a little bit rain, sunny. It's somehow favoring the farmers. When you have a farm and you plant some plants to your farm, right now I think you'll get benefit as long as the soil is fertile in that area. You'll get some good product. I want to show you a farm with the I think it's almost a acre. I'm almost there, so I will not proceed because my hand is tired. So when I approach there, I'll continue with the video. So keep tuned, subscribe, and subscribe for me. Let's reach 200 subscribers, guys. Just help me out. Share to your friend, a friend to a friend, so that we can reach 300 or 200 subscribers end of this month. I'm humbly requesting you that to help me, guys. So wait, I approach there. Okay guys, in this area where I am passing, there's a lot of you see, this place is so swampy. It's a swampy area. You can able to see over there. Let me try and zoom. I see. It's so swampy. It's so swampy. Yeah. In this our village, there's a lot of uh, uh, big acres of land. Let me show you. Can you able to see? I think this is just a land of someone. There was a forest farm, but the guy decided to cut the trees. When you passed here, there was a sweet breeze. There's a sweet breeze. You can able to see they have cut the trees. There's a lot of trees here. You can able to see. It's a big one, a big land. It's a big land. So guys, I was telling you, here there's a lot of it's a swampy area. You can able to see this is a road. I'm seeing the water is coming out from the soil. Yeah, from the soil, and when you want to make a house or build a house or construct a house, that means the right pronunciation. Use these stones so that when you have finished building or constructing a house, you have to, so that the building cannot sink. The way this place is so swampy, and the road is bad here. It's a swampy area. That place that I told you that there was a lot of forest. There's a lot of forest. It was like this forest. I think this forest. It was like this forest. Hello. Yes. So this is the farm that I was telling you. I was greeting that. I don't know how we call it. Someone who is coaching the cow. Guys, you're able to see this place is so swampy. The swampy area. I think so. Today I just decided when I came out from my training, I just decided to walk and tell you how my village look. I see. This is the plantation I was telling you. It's a big plantation of maize. It's like one like it's going up to that further end. Guys, here there's a breeze. You'll able to hear the sound of breeze. I think the way this place is beautiful. It's very nice, guys. I'm feeling nice. Feeling nice. Mm? This place has a good breeze that when you can come here and have just rest. Nobody will interfere. So long as you don't interfere with the trees, nobody will interfere with you. The way this farm is big one. This forest, it's a big one. So when you have such a thing in Africa, you're like a millionaire. Yeah. Owning such a forest, like this. Wow, guys, just have a look on this. That guy was asking me if I'm going town, but I'm in my village, so there's no need of bothering a motorbike because I'm able to approach. I'm near approaching our house. So this is the farm. I want to deal with the farming because I love nature things. Nature things are very nice. So you can able to look this farm, the way this farm is so healthy. You can able to see the leaves of these vegetables are very nice and clean. There's no vegetable that I'm seeing or skuma wiki that I'm seeing that has some dents on the. You can see the way this farm is nice. The way this farm is nice. Are you able to see? Wow. Napier grass of cow. You're able to see. I'm seeing a banana. This guy have planted a lot of things. I'm seeing avocado. I'm seeing mango. I'm also seeing the I'm also seeing this cassava. I'm also seeing cassava. When you come, just come. Oh, there's a Napier grass, and also the feed of a rabbit. You can able to see them there. Yeah. And see, this farm is only for maize, but that farm that I've shown you some vegetables is you have mixed a lot of things in the farm, and that's nice. I don't think if that farmer is doing bad, but it's a good idea. I don't know, what do you think? Leave a comment and let me know if the farmer is right or wrong, guys. And when I keep going, there's a lot of maize. Maize is done in this area a lot. I think they have measured on maize a lot. Are you able to see? I see the area is so beautiful. I'm telling you, Africa is beautiful, guys. There's a lot of places that you can go. And refresh your mind in Africa. So when you come to Africa, just hit me on my email down. I always leave my email for any further inquiry. You can email me or leave a comment. The number of WhatsApp so that we can link up, so that when you come to Africa, I can be a little bit a guide tour. Though I'm not a professional guide tour, but I have a little bit of ideas of places that we can adventure, so that you can able to enjoy the tour of Africa when you are in Africa, guys. So guys, keep on subscribing my channel, like, comment, share. I will give you a lot of my diaries, a lot of them. So guys, I love you guys. I just only need your support by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. That's the only thing that you can help me with, guys. The only request, the only humble request that you can grant me. So guys, I'm a bit tired, so let's tune to our next video. I love you guys. Till next time, and remember to subscribe for Marvin Smith, Kenya. Yeah, the guy is also doing good. Actually, we had a same group, we had the same channel, but we decided. Okay, actually, iammarwa, the YouTuber, I think is known very well. But right now, as you are just beginners, but we hope all shall be well. We'll not give up. We'll do our best to make you happy. And if you feel you are doing something wrong, just leave a comment. We want to state good advice that you will grant us. We'll do whatever you'll tell us, and we'll link up more. So keep on subscribing to my channel and Marvin Smith's channel. So guys, see you. Ciao. Bye.